Hello friends, welcome to Solid training session. In this lecture, we will continue our multi-surface operation. So you will see here the toolpath is generated. Okay, now we will just check for apply the stock. I will click in solid and cylinder. Directly create a cylinder here by this value. Okay, now I will change the radius 30. Okay, now you will see here. So I will just click on again cylinder. Here. And the height is same as. Okay, now change the radius 14. See here 15 and okay. Now cut the slot. So first of all, in Boolean operation, select this object, and okay. Now I will click on remove and OK. So you will see the slot is ready. Now one more operation is remain. So again the Boolean, select this object, OK. Click on add. You will see here and OK. Fine. Now I will click on view isometric. Fit your drawing. Okay. Now click on stock setup and select your solid object here and okay. Now we will check by verify selected operation. Change the speed and I will just click on play. You will see the finishing cut is applied. One more time and I will change the tool cutting length. So just close it in parameter, tool, double click and change this length. I will click 38 and change this value 40. Next finish. Okay, now I will click on again regenerate. So friends, we will see the operation is applied. So again we will check in verify selected operation. So friends, just click on play. So you will see here the cut is applied. I will just close it and select this operation. In toolpath, you will see here the toolpath transform operation. So I will just click on this. See, the rotate option is available. So just click on rotate by NCI source. In rotate, I will select the 4 slots. The total sweep is 360. Okay, and this is your center point. So I will click on this center point. Okay, now just click on OK. So you will see here all slots is applied. So select all operation and verify selected operation. You will see here. Now I will just click on play. So you will see the operation is applied. Okay, I will just click on cancel. So friends, this is your multi-surface operation. In next lecture, we will discuss how to create the practical project. Thank you friends.